Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. This is Pakistan Studies Grade 10. The name of the chapter is History of Pakistan Part 2. Dear student, today is the third online lecture of Pakistan Studies and it will cover the following topics. The era of government of Muhammad Khan Jonejo 1985 to 1988, Afghan Jihad refugees problems and their impact on Pakistan society, Benazir Bhutto's first government era December 1988 to August 1990, the Benazir Bhutto's second government era October 1993 to November 1996, and Mia Nawaz Sharif government. The first government term November 1990 to July 93, and the second government term from February 1997 to October 1999. So student, let's start the first topic, the era of government of Muhammad Khan Jonejo from 1985 to 1988. Muhammad Khan Jonejo, he was a Pakistani politician and an agriculturist who served as Prime Minister of Pakistan, having elected in this capacity in 1985 until being dismissed in 1988. Dear student, General Ziaul Haq amended 1973 Constitution from parliamentary to presidential system. President took complete powers and powers of parliament curtail, यानी कि पार्लियामेंट की जो इख्तियारात थे उसमें कमी कर दी, उसकी पावर्स में तखफीफ कर दी. कट शॉर्टर मीन्स नॉन पार्टी बेस्ड इलेक्शन फॉर NA held in 1985. NA means National Assembly. The first session of National Assembly called on 23rd March 1985. General Ziaul Haq oath as President for next 5 years and Muhammad Khan Jonejo oath as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Now what are the important events of Muhammad Khan Jonejo era? Number 1 is lifting of martial law. After becoming Prime Minister, Muhammad Khan Jonejo declared that martial law should be lifted. The Parliament and Provincial Assemblies passed bill in favor of it. So martial law was lifted on 30th December 1985. Now the second point is Muhammad Khan Jonejo as the President of Muslim League. All the non-party members formed an official parliamentary group in January 1986. Group was named as the Pakistan Muslim League (PML). The Muhammad Khan Jonejo elected its president. The provincial chief ministers become Muslim League's provincial presidents. The Muslim League was organized as a political party. The third point is foreign tours. The lifting of martial law and the restoration of democracy was welcomed by the foreign world. Restoration of democracy means कि जमहूरियत की बहाली. Muhammad Khan Jonejo made successful tours of Turkey, Germany and United States of America in 1986. Different agreements of mutual interest were signed during these tours. Number 4 point is development programs. The 7 Marla housing scheme and the 5-point development programs and plans to raise the literacy rate. These development programs played an important role for the development of the country. अब मोहम्मद खान जोनेजो के तरक्याती प्रोग्राम से क्या मुराद है कि मोहम्मद खान जोनेजो ने अवाम की खिदमत की, जिसको अवाम ने बहुत पसंद किया, सराहा, उसमें उन्होंने जो है 7 मरला हाउसिंग स्कीम, 5 नुकाती तरक्याती प्रोग्राम, तालीमी शरह में इजाफे के मंसूबे मुल्क में मुतारिफ करवाए। Now dear student, a sad incident, Ojri camp disaster. A sudden fire broke out in an arm depot located in Rawalpindi 1988. Many citizens killed in this disaster. The Prime Minister was on a tour of Sindh and the President on a tour of Kuwait. Both returned immediately to Islamabad. The Prime Minister formed an investigation committee. Its report was presented to President Ziaul Haq. The sixth point is the dismissal of the Junejo government. Junejo हुकूमत की बरतरफी. In 1988, differences developed between the President and the Prime Minister. Differences mean कि इख्तलाफात जो इनके दरमियान थे. After returning from foreign tour, the Prime Minister called a press conference on 29th May 1988 and answered the questions of the news reporters. On the same day, the President declared dismissal of the Junejo government and dissolution of an assembly in a press conference held in Army House. This is how 3 years government of Muhammad Khan Junejo ended. जुनेजो की वजारत की बदतरफी यानी कि 1988 में सियासी हालात तेजी से बदलने लगे। जनरल ज़ियाउल हक और वजीर आज़म मोहम्मद खान जुनेजो के दरमियान मुख्तलिफ अमूर पर इख्तलाफात पैदा हुए और जो कि जुनेजो हुकूमत के खात्मे का बाइस बने। Now the next topic is Afghan Jihad, refugees problem and their impact on Pakistani society, यानी कि अफगान जिहाद, मुहाजिरीन के मसाइल और उनका पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी पर क्या असर जो है वो हुआ, उनके क्या असरात जो है पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी पर हुए। In 1979 Russian forces invaded Afghanistan. Invaded means हमला करना, and new security challenges and threat to Pakistan was created. General Ziaul Haq adopted a firm policy and stood against the intervention of the Russian forces. Intervention means कि जो मुदाखलत Russian forces की थी. The beginning of jihad. Afghan nation stood against the Russian attack and started jihad. The moral support of Pakistan raised the morale of Afghan mujahideen, and the mujahideen defeated Russian forces in every field. Russia was demoralized in 1986, but the jihad was continued. The continuous defeats disappointed the Russian tremendously. Tremendously means very much, बहुत ज़्यादा. Geneva Accord. America and Russia signed an accord in April 1988 in Geneva. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, Muhammad Khan Junejo, also participated and signed it. The Russia accepted its defeat and withdrew its forces from Afghanistan on 15 February 1989. This was the end of the Afghan Jihad. So dear student, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन भी है। जेनेवा मुआहदा अप्रैल 88 में अमेरिका और रूस ने जेनेवा में एक मुआहदा किया और पाकिस्तान के वजीर आज़म मोहम्मद खान जुनेजो भी इसमें शरीक हुए और साइन किए। रूस ने अपनी शिकस्त तस्लीम कर ली और उसने वादे के मुताबिक 15 फरवरी 89 को अपनी फौजें फिर अफगानिस्तान से वापस बुला ली। Now the next is the impact on Pakistani society. अब इसके पाकिस्तानी जो है माशरे में क्या असरात जो है नुमाया हुए। अफगान रेफ्यूजीज हैड फॉर रीचिंग इफेक्ट्स ऑन पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी, उस पर उनके दूररस असरात जो है पाकिस्तानी माशरे में हुए। More than 30 lakh Afghan refugees migrated to Pakistan. Pakistan sheltered and looked after them properly out of Islamic brotherhood and human sympathy. The services of General Muhammad Ziaul Haq are praiseworthy in Afghan jihad, and Pakistan was appreciated internationally for the successful Afghan policy. Now the topic is Benazir Bhutto's first government era 1988 to August 1990. Now let's have an introduction. The Benazir Bhutto was a Pakistani politician who served as the Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1988 to 1990 and again from 1993 to 1996. Benazir Bhutto became the first female Prime Minister of Pakistan in 1988 and she was killed by a suicide bomber in 2007. Now study the important events of the Benazir Bhutto's first term. The dissolution of the Balochistan Assembly. The Chief Minister of Balochistan Mir Zafarullah Khan Jamali not gained the vote of confidence from the Balochistan Assembly in 1988 that the Benazir Bhutto government dismissed it. The Balochistan High Court took up the case and declared it as unconstitutional and restored the house. Number 2 is the presidential elections. Ghulam Ishaq Khan won the presidential elections against Nawabzada Nasrullah Khan in December 1988 and took the oath for the office. Third point is Pakistan rejoins Commonwealth, यानी कि पाकिस्तान की दौलत मुश्तरका में दोबारा शमूलियत. After separation from the Commonwealth in 1972, Pakistan rejoined it in 1989. यानी कि 1972 में पाकिस्तान दौलत मुश्तरका से अलहदा हो गया था और फिर 89 में पाकिस्तान ने दौलत मुश्तरका में दोबारा शमूलियत इख्तियार कर ली. Number 4 point is foreign policy. Government adopted a non-confrontation policy, यानी कि महाज आराई का खात्मा. With India at 4th SAARC conference, Benazir Bhutto joined hands with Indian's Prime Minister for establishing good relation with him. And fifth point is social welfare. Government launched the People's Work Program for Development and Social Welfare. इसका मतलब है बेनज़ीर इनकम सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम जो कि आज भी जारी है. For providing the employment, a department placement bureau was set up and the thousands of people got employment through it. The dismissal of the Benazir Bhutto government. President Ghulam Ishaq Khan under section 58(2)(b) of the Constitution dismissed the Benazir Bhutto government on the charge of corruption and dissolved the National Assembly on 6th August 1990. Her first government lasted for about 20 months. Now, what is the 58(2)(b) of the Constitution? 58(2)(b) Constitution, which is term, is considered to be the provision that introduced the presidential power to dissolve the National Assembly. यानी कि 8वीं तरमीम के ज़रिए सदर के पास ये इख्तियार जो है दिया गया उसे तरमीम के ज़रिए कि वो कौमी असम्बली को बर्खास्त कर सकता है, बरतरफ कर सकता है, यानी उसे तोड़ने का इख्तियार दिया गया. Now the next topic is Benazir Bhutto's second government era, October 1993 to November 1996. Benazir Bhutto elected Prime Minister of Pakistan for the second time in October 1993. The important events of the second term are: Number 1, development programs. Construction of Karachi flyover bridge and Lahore bypass was started. Number 2, plan for farmers and women. set up Kisan Bank for providing loans to farmer and launched the National Tractor Scheme. Social and health policies were framed for women. Women police stations and courts were set up for providing legal facilities to this class. Now the third point is 8th 5-year plan. The government launched the 8th 5-year plan, which resulted rapid development and prosperity of the country. Now the fourth point is foreign visits and the Kashmir issue. Benazir Bhutto made successful visits to Iran and Turkey and gained the moral support of these countries on the Kashmir issue. Many agreements of cooperation in different fields were signed. Now the fifth point is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government. The government of the Chief Minister Pir Sabir Shah of the Muslim League and the Assembly dissolved in 1994 in KPK, and Aftab Ahmad Sherpao of the People's Party was elected as the Chief Minister. The dismissal of the government of Benazir Bhutto. Differences were developed between President Mr. Farooq Ahmad Lagari and the Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto. He dismissed the government on charges of corruption by using the powers under 58(2)(b) of the Constitution. Benazir Bhutto ruled over the country for about 3 years this time. Dear student, our third online lecture is completed now. Here are the picture of personalities and events we discuss in this lecture. If you have any query about this lecture, please do not hesitate to ask in interaction class. Allah Hafiz.